Welcome back to SK Car Reviews. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Porsche 911, a masterpiece that continues the legendary heritage of one of the most iconic sports cars ever built. Porsche has refined every corner of the 2026 model, bringing sharper performance, elevated luxury, advanced technology, and unmistakable 911 styling. Whether you're a long-time Porsche enthusiast or someone discovering the brand's magic for the first time, this detailed review will give you a complete picture of what the new 911 has to offer. Let's begin with the exterior, move into the interior, explore the performance, and then wrap up with pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Porsche 911 retains its classic silhouette with the smooth, flowing lines that have defined its identity for over half a century. But with fresh enhancements, Porsche has introduced a more aerodynamic front fascia with redesigned air intakes that not only cool the engine more efficiently, but also improve overall airflow. The headlights remain the signature round LED units, but they now feature more advanced matrix technology, offering sharper illumination and a dynamic lighting pattern that adapts to road conditions. The bonnet has been subtly sculpted for better airflow management, and the body panels have been refined using lightweight aluminum and composite materials, lowering the overall weight while improving rigidity. Along the sides, the 2026 911 showcases wider wheel arches that house new 20-inch front and 21-inch rear performance wheels. These wheels are wrapped in next-generation performance tires developed specifically for the new 911, offering improved traction and cornering stability. Porsche has also slightly lowered the ride height and optimized the suspension geometry for better handling at high speeds. The frameless doors, flush-mounted door handles, and sculpted side skirts create a clean, modern look without losing the timeless 911 charm. At the rear, the 2026 911 features a broader stance with a redesigned LED light bar stretching across the width of the car, giving it a distinctive nighttime identity. The retractable rear spoiler has been upgraded for improved downforce control, automatically adjusting based on speed and driving mode. The quad exhaust system has been refined to produce a sharper, more aggressive tone, especially in sport and track modes. Overall, the exterior design of the 2026 Porsche 911 strikes the perfect balance between modern aerodynamics and iconic heritage. Stepping inside the 2026 Porsche 911, you're welcomed by a cabin that blends luxury, sportiness, and cutting-edge technology. Porsche has refined the dashboard with a cleaner layout, featuring a fully digital LED instrument cluster with customizable displays. The central touchscreen is larger, offering faster response times and crisp graphics. The latest Porsche communication management system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, live navigation updates, and an AI-based voice assistant that makes interacting with the car more intuitive. The cabin materials are top-tier, featuring a mix of premium leather, carbon fiber inserts, brushed aluminum, and soft-touch finishes. The iconic 911 driving position remains low and sporty, giving drivers an immersive experience behind the wheel. The new generation sports seats offer better lateral support and improved comfort, ideal for both long-distance touring and spirited cornering. Optional upgrades include power-adjustable memory seats, ventilated leather, and custom stitching. The 2026 model also emphasizes practicality for a sports car. The rear seats, although compact, are slightly more spacious due to smart interior adjustments. The front trunk retains enough space for weekend luggage or groceries, making the 911 surprisingly usable as a daily driver. Driver assistance systems have been expanded, including adaptive cruise control, night vision assist, lane keeping support, rear cross-traffic monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking the low-profile sports car much easier. Moving on to performance, the heart of every 911 lies in its engine and driving dynamics, and the 2026 Porsche 911 continues to raise the standard. Porsche has refined its signature rear-mounted twin-turbo flat-six engine, now producing more horsepower and torque across the lineup. Depending on the variant, power outputs range from approximately 420 horsepower in the base Carrera to well over 650 horsepower in the Turbo and Turbo S models. The improved turbochargers and upgraded intercoolers provide faster boost response, while the newly calibrated engine control system delivers smoother power delivery across the rev range. Acceleration is breathtaking, with the Carrera models achieving 0 to 100 clicky in around 3.7 seconds, while the Turbo S cuts that time to an astonishing 2.6 seconds. The 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission has been enhanced with quicker shifts, offering seamless power delivery during high-speed performance. Drivers can choose from multiple driving modes including Normal, Sport, Sport Plus, Wet Mode, and Track Mode, each adjusting the throttle response, steering feel, suspension behavior, and exhaust tone. The 2026 911 benefits from an upgraded chassis and suspension system. Porsche Active Suspension Management now responds more precisely to road conditions, improving both comfort and handling. Rear axle steering enhances stability during high-speed driving and makes tight cornering feel effortless. The improved all-wheel drive system in the higher variants offers superior traction, especially during spirited driving or challenging weather conditions. Braking performance has